Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all distinguished delegates and participants from ASEAN member countries and the Middle East, as well as esteemed officers from government agencies of Malaysia. Welcome to the ASEAN Auditor Conference 2025 Gala Dinner. First of all, let me introduce myself and my colleague. My name is Zakar Ibrahim, or just Zak, and joining me is my wonderful colleague Siti Ropaya. We are delighted to be your MC for this lovely evening. Thanks, Zak. Greetings and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Siti Ropaya, or you can call me Siti. We are truly honored to welcome all of you to this memorable evening get-together. Thank you very much for joining us tonight at this beautiful Putrajaya International Convention Center. The theme for our dinner was black and gold. Everyone looked charming and beautiful. In battle attire, wow, it was truly wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, feel free to get comfortable. Our ceremony will begin shortly. Kindly have your mobile phone in silent mode. Thank you. Announcing the arrival of Her Excellency Datuk Seri Wan Suraya Wan Muhammad Razi, Auditor General of Malaysia, accompanied by special guest of honor, Auditor Generals from Philippines, Laos PDR, Yemen, Iran, Brunei, Cambodia, Maldives, and Timor-Leste. The Honorable Secretary General Minister of Communications and Deputy Auditor General Finance, Performance and Government Companies of Malaysia. Her Excellency Datuk Seri, special guest of honor, Auditor Generals, ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing as we sing the national anthem of Malaysia, Negaraku. Her Excellency Datuk Seri, special guest of honor, Auditor Generals, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let's start our evening with a Malaysia dance performance by the art group from the Culture and Arts Department, Kuala Lumpur. Please welcome. Her Excellency Datuk Seri Wan Suraya Wan Muhammad Razi, Auditor General of Malaysia, the Honorable Guest of Honor, Auditor General of Philippines, Auditor General of Laos PDR, Auditor General of Yemen, Auditor General of Iran, Auditor General of Brunei, Auditor General of Cambodia, Auditor General of Maldives, Auditor Generals of Timor-Leste, His Excellency Mr. Abu Bakar Husman Hussein Omar Al-Sagaf, President of the Central Organization for Control and Auditing (COCA) of the Republic of Yemen, His Excellency Dr. Dawood Mohammadi, Secretary General of the Supreme Audit Court of the Islamic Republic of Iran, His Excellency Mr. Hussein Niazi, Auditor General of Maldives, the Honorable Datuk Muhammad Fauzi bin Mat Isa, Secretary General of Ministry of Communications, the Honorable Datuk Fatimah binti Ramuji, Deputy Auditor General Finance, the Honorable Datuk Nur Solani Haji Muhammad, Deputy Auditor General Performance, the Honorable Mr. Azman Mahmud, Deputy Auditor General Government Companies, Directors and Officers from Government Agency, Private Sectors and Strategist Partners. Assalamualaikum and Salam Malaysia Madani. Welcome to the ASEAN Auditor Conference Gala Dinner 2025. Before we begin our evening, we now invite Al-Fadil Ustaz Muhammad Nazri bin Mustaqim, Imam of the National Mosque Kuala Lumpur, to lead the recitations of Dua. Please welcome, sir. Thank you, Al-Fadil Ustaz Muhammad Nazri bin Mustaqim. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to relive the sentiment of day one. We had inspiring talks, dynamic discussions, and unforgettable connections. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy a quick recap of the highlights. Dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, with great honor, we will now invite Her Excellency Datuk Seri Wan Suraya Wan Muhammad Razi, the Auditor General of Malaysia, to deliver the welcoming address. Please welcome Her Excellency Datuk Seri Wan Suraya Wan Muhammad Razi. Thank you very much, Her Excellency Datuk Seri. Her Excellency Datuk Sri, special guests of honor, auditor generals, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dinner is now served. Please enjoy your meal. Her Excellency Datuk Sri, special guests of honor, Her Excellency Datuk Sri, special guests of honor, auditor generals, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dinner is now served. Please enjoy your meal. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, while you are enjoying your dinner, we have more entertainment in store for you. Now, let's welcome the art group from the Culture and Art Department Kuala Lumpur with a vibrant traditional Malay dance. Enjoy the rhythm and culture of Malaysia. Please welcome the dancers from the Culture and Art Department Kuala Lumpur. Thank you for the great performance by the Culture. Yeah, okay. And us, alright. Mula. So bila abang cakap, abang kena dekat sikit lah.
Betul.
Alright.
Ataupun abang diri je seselesa abang.
Okay. Abang biasa macam gini ya. Alright. Okay.
Abang boleh nampak abang punya ni?
Kalau macam gini macam okey nampak lah. Kalau nampak macam gini okey nampak. Macam ni pun okey kot rasanya. Kita cuba
Nanti abang berdua.
Abang berdua dan abang si Trobaya sebelah sini. Alright. Kita cuba boleh. Abang macam ni okey tak? Abang try. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, while you are enjoying your dinner, we have more entertainment in store for you. Now let's welcome the art group from the Culture and Art Department Kuala Lumpur with a vibrant traditional Malay dance. Enjoy the rhythm and culture of Malaysia. Please welcome the dancers from the Culture and Art Department Kuala Lumpur. Okay, macam ni. Okey lah ni. Mantap, salam. Okay. Apa yang bantai ni? Thank you for the great performance by the Culture and Arts Department Kuala Lumpur. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to present one of Malaysia's finest singer, Farhan A.R., performing two beautiful songs for us this evening. Let us enjoy her lovely melodies and please give her a big round of applause. Thank you, Miss Farhan. Ladies and gentlemen, let's enjoy a performance of Grace and Youth by the Permata Seni Group, showcasing Malaysia's cultural heritage of dance called Pesta Rakyat and Joget Tabik Bertabik. Please welcome Permata Seni Group. And now, it's time for some jazzy, relaxing tunes from our very own talented singer from Sai Malaysia, Mr. Adil and Miss Fatin. Okay, Mr. Adil will perform a song titled Pentaman, and number two, Miss Fatin will perform a song titled Bukan Cinta Biasa, popular by Siti Nurhaliza. Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Adil and Miss Fatin, for your great voice. Wow. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's welcome the talented performers from the Culture and Arts Department Kuala Lumpur as they present the vibrant Proneo dance, a true celebration of East Malaysia's rich cultural heritage. Let's enjoy the Proneo dance. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the entertainment continues tonight. Once again, we are honored to present Miss Farhan with her song Umpan Jina di Air Tenang. Umpan Jina di Air Tenang, followed by Mr. Adil and Miss Fatin with two songs, When You Tell Me That You Love Me, duet, and also Sentuhan Listrikmu. Put your hands together and please give them a warm round of applause. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's time to get on our feet. Let's end the night with energy and joy. Once again, we invite the art group from the Culture and Arts Department Kuala Lumpur to perform Joget Lamba, and the next one is Malaysia Truly Asia. Please give them a big round of applause and come on the stage. Please welcome. Her Excellency Datuk Seri, Special Guest of Honor Auditor Generals, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. This is the end of our ASEAN Auditor Conference 2035 Gala Dinner. Thank you for the wonderful present this evening. Your participation has made this dinner truly memorable. On behalf of SAI Malaysia, we extend our sincere appreciation to all of you for being with us tonight. With that, we officially bring our event to a close. Good night, everyone, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.